finally,
unboxing
of a Whitco Witch Doctor mug that spent 6 to 7 weeks traveling around the globe to
around America and then Holland.
to come over here. So we were worried that it would not arrive at all, but we're lucky, it's here. So let's open it up.
Yes, can't wait. So happy that it arrived.
Yeah, me too.
Now is the thing about it fits in one piece.
Oh Lord.
Oh Lord, I cannot handle it. Oh gosh.
Oh, it's well packed.
Oh. Ooh. Coming on for sikta ka please. You got only one chance.
Yeah, I know. I need to check how to open this.
Unboxing the Witch Doctor.
Witch Doctor. Okay, here it goes. So another box.
Yeah,
I think there's another box.
that's for sure. Definitely. It's very well packed. Dus
Yes.
dat verbaast me maar echt als het niet goed is. Maar zullen we zien.
Nice Tiki sticker. Okay, well here is the moment of truth. How to open this?
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. It's very complicated.
It's very thrilling. Oh, after many weeks.
Shall we get a drink first?
Nee, come on.
Or have a walk?
No. Oh my god.
Oei, that looks nice.
Oh my god. Is it okay?
So far it is okay.
Wow, it's already very nice from the distance.
It's signed by Ken Pleasant. It's number 179 out of 250. And that also says a card, which is in there.
Witch Doctor number 179
Yeah.
out of 250. Very nice.
Very nice.
Wow.
Mug. Very detailed.
Wow, I'm really happy that it arrived, really.
Me too. I sort of gave up on it because it took too long. We're not really used to items spending so much time on their way to us, so it's like it's totally lost. Tracking did not give anything, but then suddenly
It comes like a witch doctor.
there was light. And there was the Witch Doctor.
Can you put it near? Wow, very nice. Wait. That's wow. Very nice.
Very nice mug.
And the back?
The back is also nice.
Wow. Very nice, or?
Very nice.
Love it. Yes. Very happy. Ah, finally. Yep. Oh, my sleepless night.
Monk Tiki Imports. Ah, it's made by Monk Tiki. I did not know that. Very nice inside.
Nice inside. Nice.
Very nice mug. Very happy about it.
Very good.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you.
Thank you.